I built the lazy man's dream coop that the only thing you need to do is to pick up the egg. I'm going to show you how I build this entire setup starting from this wildland. Just like my shed build, I'm using floating deck footings to keep things efficient and level. And since this sits close to the ground, I'm using all pressure-treated wood for the foundation. No rot, no pests, and zero maintenance. That's the lazy man way. To save the budget, I'm using subfloor instead of plywood. I'll add a layer of laminate flooring on top to make it 100% waterproof and easy to clean. I learned so much from my shed project that I'm handling the framing much faster this time. I chose a shed-style roof over a gable. It's faster, cheaper, and much easier to build. I spent more time on this specific wall because it has to be perfect for my custom design. It's getting an auto egg collection system and an easy cleaning window so I never have to work hard. I added an interior wall to create a 3-foot wide workspace inside. Pre-installing the hurricane ties makes it so much easier to slide the roof beams in place alone. A little trick for the rafters. I use a scrap piece of wood to mark my cuts quick and easy. I need to hurry up. My little babies can't wait for their warm home. Stick around for the next one. I'm tackling the siding and the roof to get this fortress sealed up.